Hey guys, welcome back to Charters channel for weekly view. So let's look at the chart. Okay. So this was the chart which we shared for the last week. So our plan was Nifty will bounce and try to hit the trend line, and it will bounce back downwards. Then again it will move towards the new high. So the high what we were expecting is 13,443. That was our weekly high we shared last week. So let's look how Nifty has moved this week. So as per the plan, it open a gap up, touched the trend line, then came down towards 12,800 levels. Then it gave a good bounce back and reached the new high 13,140 levels. Then it came back, so that's fine. I mean, it has moved as per the plan. Hope you guys had a good profit. So let's look at the uh, Nifty view and Bank Nifty view for coming week. Looking at the Nifty chart, we can expect it can open a gap down tomorrow and touch this trend line and can bounce back, and again it can move at this sideways. So once it break down this trend line, we can see a good fall on a Nifty. So note down this is there is a trend line. If it break down, we can see Nifty falling towards 12,700, and if it break, you can see falling towards 12,600. And the maximum what I am expecting, it can fall till 12,570 downtrend level. Okay, uptrend. Okay, so if it break this uptrend, we can see Nifty moving towards 13,140. So once it breaks the 13,140, we can see one more new high, 13,300 levels. So that is a level which I am looking for this week. New high if it break this trend line and also break this 13,140 levels. Okay, so it may take a sideways move for couple of days, and based on the trend line breakout and breakdown, we can take a trade. So if it is in this sideways, please draw trade, take any trade. So once it is move above this trend line or below this trend line, it's safe to take a trade. Okay, that's an view about the Nifty view. Let's look at the Bank Nifty view. Looking at the Bank Nifty chart on the 1 hour time frame. So Bank Nifty is moving at this range. Okay, 29,600, 29,400 range. Okay, so I suggest not to take any trade at this 200 points level. Okay, it is on sideways move. Okay, if it break this trend line, okay, break above this trend line, it's better to take a trade. If it break below this trend line, it's better to take a trade. Okay, so if it break this trend line, we can see Bank Nifty moving towards 29,800 levels, and also can reach to 30,000 and 30,200 levels. So you can note down this level: 29,780 levels, 30,000 and 30,100, 125. So that is about the uptrend. Downtrend, okay, so if it break this trend line, also we have a support at 29,000 levels. Okay, that's a strong support here, 29,000. If it break this 29,000, we can see a good fall in Bank Nifty. Okay, You can see a 400 points fall, and if it break this 28,500 levels, we can see a good fall. So this is about the trend, downtrend. And if it break this 29,000, we can see a 400 points fall, and if it break this 28,500, we can see still more downside. That's a downtrend. On the uptrend, if it break this 29,700 levels, you can see Bank Nifty moving towards 30,000, 30,200 levels. So that's a level on the Bank Nifty. Note on guys, this is only a technical view from the Chart Traders channel. If you take any trade, please consult your finance advisor. Thank you for watching our Nifty index view. See you on the next video. Happy trading.